suffering, the arising, the cessation, and the eightfold path. Dhammapad 191. The four extraordinary realities are suffering, the arising of suffering, the ending of suffering, the eightfold path leading to the ending of suffering. Dukkha is casual arising. The overcoming of dukkha and the eightfold path, that is noble, leading to dukkha's allaying. Dhammapad 191. Dukkha, dukkha samupadang, dukkhasya oryo atikammang, oryon sa tanggikang maggong, dukkhu pama samagaminang. Dhammapad 191.